Hey, hello everyone. Today we will discuss about how processing log getting updated in output types. For example, in case of billing document, we should go to uh, in the menu, go to header output. Then we should choose the relevant output type. Then click on processing log. And processing log, you see some log getting displayed here. Similar way for sales order also, we should go to the menu extras output header and click on edit. There you see list of output types assigned for that order. Then you can click on the processing log. Now we will understand how this processing log getting updated in the output types in the relevant transactions. As we all aware that NAST is the database table which will store all the information related to output types, whether it is processed successfully or it is failed or it is yet to process, whatever the reason, it will hold all the output related data for the transactions. So in the NAS table, we have field called KAPPL is application and OBJKY. OBJKY is the transaction document. So OBJKY contains the length of 10 characters. That means if the sales order length is 5 characters, then we should add 5 zeros, 5 leading zeros before that order number and update it in the NAS table and execute it. That means the object key should be always 10 characters. If the document type is number is already with 10 characters means no need to add any other zeros. Just enter as it is. If it is less than 10 zeros, we should add as many as zeros that we want. And we see that VStat, there is one more field. This field contains the processing status. Uh, 0 for yet to be processed, 1 for successfully processed, 2 for failed. And to get that processing log, I mean the processing error, first we need to get the number, that is CMFPNR from NAS table by passing the output type and object key and application to the NAS table. After getting that CMFPNR number, then we have to use some other two tables. CMFK, it's a header log table, and CMFP for item log table. So in this table, first we need to give the application ID as WFMC, and in the NR field we should give the NAST CMFP NR. So WFMC is used to get the log for output types. You see here I have highlighted here in CMFP table application ID we should select WFMC, and the number field NR field we should enter the NAST CMFP NR number. Then we can see the detailed error log what we see in the VF02, VF03 or VH02 or VH03. So this data only getting updated to in the processing logs. And one more important thing that we should remember is that to display the processing log for any output types, there is one customized field available in NACE, NACE, you know, right? NACE is a T code to set up the output controls. And the NACE, when you click on the outputs for the relevant applications, we see there is one flag under general data, that is do not write processing log. If this is enabled, then we don't see the processing log. It should be unchecked, then only we can see the processing log in the relevant output types.